Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jet Bait Chick. How's it going? How's it going? So I had the lawnmower up here and I was trying to do the video and flip, and I was trying to use a stylish thing, right? And I was trying to hold on to the leaf blower, and I pushed the lawnmower down and the lawnmower started to take off on me. So I'm going to put this in my pocket. Now I'm heading up the street. You know, I really wasn't planning on cutting the grass today, but the neighbor called and said, "Hey, can you come cut my grass?" And I was like, "Yeah, okay, fine, sure. Don't worry, baby. I brought some snacks with me, so I have something to eat. Yeah, some crackers, toasted cheese. So I don't think I'll eat them, but in case I do get hungry, I got my drinks down below. I think I got everything I need. I am staying away from any place that might have yellow jackets because I do not want to get stung in my ankles. So, anyways, I said I was going to give you a shout out first, and then I'll give my BFF, number one BFF, her shout out too. So, shout out! Twinny my loves, do 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 do. Twinny my loves, do 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 do. Hey, I love you. Shout out to Margie Daly. Oh, baby, best friend forever. So, shout out Risa Basate. Yeah, la 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 love lines. So, shout out Juliet Benzazaro. Azaro. Yeah. So, it is humid out. I tell you, everybody. Shout out, everybody! Well, I'm not going to shout out too loud because people will be looking. It's different if I'm at home. Gatorade, don't move. Diesel Wolf, make sure that Gatorade don't move. So, Margie TV, you're so awesome. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing fine. We say, hey. So, Twinny my loves, don't work too hard. Work a little bit and take your time. You know, close your eyes once in a while. You know, clean a little bit. You know, you just clean sleep. You know, just close your eyes and clean and sleep. Let's see, he's cutting his grass up there. So, where did I come from? Down there. Of course, you know that. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. They might have a hemorrhage attack. Why you show my flowers, man? I don't want you to show my flowers. So, hey. Don't you go nowhere, Gatorade. Yeah, good thing they got a freezer. I can put my Gatorade in the fridge. Jay Stewart! You'll never hear me! Nope. You know, it's funny. You always shout out to people that live in the same state as you, but they never hear you. They don't know you're shouting them out. Like Wayne's TV. Did you hear me shout out? Wayne's TV, shout out. No, you didn't hear me. Eileen Vlogs. You know you love those lawnmowers. So, anyways, we are here. Destination breakdown. Well, at least the bottle landed at the right place. Yeah. Don't go in the ground. Okay. Stay. Now we can take these drinks, put them in the fridge for later. But actually, I like putting them in the freezer because it's better that way. It's always colder, you know. Hope there's room. Stay there. All right. Ooh, circle of friends. Shout out, circle of friends. Inspired life. You know, I need to visit you one of these days. It's just that I'm always busy every time you want me to come see you. I'm a busy person when you want me to come. I can't get the darn charger out of my pocket. You're like, what are you doing? I can't get it out of my pocket. It's stuck. Tweety, my loves, reach in there and grab it. Pull the charger out. Come on. Ay, lumba. Don't you hate it when you're trying to get something out of your pocket and don't want to get out? You don't want to get out! There. I got it. Nope. Can't look anywhere else. Alright, I need to get my other water bottle. Oh, my freaking leg hurts. You know, if I knew that I was going to be working today, my butt would have gone to sleep. No, I just could not sleep. You know, I got everything organized and things I had to do in my room, and still had more stuff to work on after I uploaded that other video. But I just wasn't done yet. And so now I got ankle cramps, which you're supposed to get when you're sleeping. But what are you gonna do, you know? Yeah, that's what I got today. Oh. Here we go. That's for you. So, shout out! ZIVRE Vlogs. I bet you thought I forgot, huh? Alright, well, I gotta get busy so my leg don't fall off. Because I feel like my leg is gonna fall off. I don't really want to put that in the fridge. I guess I could keep it down here too. Yeah, I'll keep that there. And I don't want to lose my stylus. Actually, I got 2 more I'll just show you. You like it? Cool. Alright. Miss Jonah. There's Miss Jonah. Alright. Well, that's that. Well, actually, I need to leave this out. And I will see you on my way home. So, and I got grass to do. Alright. Don't forget the thumbs up. See you on the way home.